Oh, this is serious biz here.
The rollers are all sticky.
How many of them you got? How many of you got?
They're all sticky.
But
Yeah, enough to do the job. Enough to fill.
No extras.
Enough to fill these up.
I didn't know they looked like that. I was thinking they was Timkins, in fact.
They're Timkins. Okay, so now we got to measure them. We got to wiggle them, get the grease off. And see, you're down here between 3 and 4 tenths. So they're supposed to be on 5 for a half. So that one's 4. Back in the old days, these things were on size, so they were on 5. So these are on 4.
All the same, right?
No, the one was 3.5. That's tenths.
How can they make them different?
There's an air involved. Okay, now we got a brand new XL crank pin. The best ones you can buy.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
That you can't really buy anymore.
Quit making them, huh?
About 18 years ago, yeah.
Ooh, that was shiny.
They're still out there on eBay every now and then, but I have about 50 of them. So.
Oh, you got them covered, huh?
Oh, I ain't stupid. I know when to buy something.
Yeah.
If you can't buy it no more, you better get what you want now, because in another 20 years, I'll still have some.
Yeah, yeah. You stocked up.
You'll be screwed.
You stocked up.
So my race bikes are fine. Well, the Jim's crank pin lasts less than 2 miles.
Wow.
The XL crank pin, I haven't worn out the first one I put in there yet. It's been in there for a few years now, but so it has a few runs on it. Okay, this one here appears to be undersized. Looks like we're down there about 9. Yeah, about 9. So it's 1/10 under, which is quite a bit bigger than what Jim's is. Jim's is usually about 5 under. So measure this in several places to get a kind of an idea where it's at.
Yeah.
See the 9 there?
I can't see it. I mean, let me see if I come in. You mean I can see it on the camera?
Yeah, not your eyeballs. Your eyeballs are worthless.
Yeah, I know it. Okay, now let's see if I can see it.
Yeah, it's in the 9. It's in there.
Okay. Okay.
So it's 1/10 under.
Uh-huh.
And these were how much under?
1 under.
1/10. So
1/10?
that's 2/10. 3 because it's rollers on each side. So now we're 3/10 under standard. You got all that?
Yeah, I hear you.
You hear me, but you lost
Yeah,
me?
I'm not totally. But yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. I can't understand why they're different, though.
Well, standard's 1 5/8. So if you take an 1 1/4 crank pin, and you take a 3/16 roller times 2, which is 3/8,
Okay.
and add that to your 1 1/4, that makes it 1 5/8.
Gotcha.
So this needs to be 1 5/8 without counting any clearance. Now we got 3/10 undersize because each one of these is a little bit under, or each one of these parts is 1 under. So that's 3/10 undersize. So we need 9/10 clearance. So that means we've got to make up another 6/10. So that means this hole has to be 6/10 over standard size to get the clearance I want at 9/10.
So you gotta open them up.
So did you get all that?
Yeah. You gotta open up that much.
That'll be a quiz later.
Yeah.
So when you go over here, 0 is standard. See the dial over here?
Yeah.
So that means we want to be at 6/10 down to be on size. Now I roughed these things in somewhere between 1.5 and 2 thousandths undersize. So that's 20.
Yeah.
So that's 16, 17 tenths right there. So you're talking tenths or thousandths. You call it tenths because it takes 10 of them to make 1 thousandth. See, this one here's at 19. That shrunk quite a bit. Didn't really knock them out around, so that's because we had them centered pretty good. Now, if there was a big movement there, that means that thing moved a ton. We don't want to see that movement.
No.
You see how this one here did move? Look at that. That was within 1/10 before. See, now it's way the hell out. It's moving 4/10.
That moved a bunch, huh?
So this one moved on us quite a bit. These ones here, they didn't move squat, so they're good. So this one here just moved a lot. But that's why you hone it. Now we go ahead and hone it back square. Okay, the next thing is I got to switch my stones at some point. So basically I want to run at least 1/2 thousandths of honing with my medium grit stone. And the final one I want 1 or 2 tenths left, so that means I got to have at least 7 extra. So if we're going to be 6 under, that means I got to swap the stones out before I hit that 0. So a couple tenths above that 0 point's where I'm going to switch from coarse to medium. You got all that?
Got it.
See, it's just numbers.
Yeah. That's everything in the whole world, just numbers, you know?
Alright. I do it in my head because I get confused when they write it down and I can't figure out my writing. You have to play the video back about 20 times to figure out what I said. But basically, we just need to hone it some more to get the clearance.
Yeah. And you're still on the rough honer, right?
Yes. The rod's growing from heat too, quite a bit.
Pretty good.
That's 14 tenths. That one's still low.
Still a little out?
Yeah, so the big eyebrow here on the
Oh,
side.
that's the 7-1, huh?
There's an eyebrow in there somewhere. Which I haven't seen yet, so maybe. Okay, so crank the pressure up a little.
You just don't want to take out too much, huh?
Oh, I have oversized rollers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to take out too much, probably. Now we're down to 9 tenths and 14, so we took out half a thousand. Now we got to pull the rod down. So we stick it over here in a bucket of cold oil.
Yeah.
Still a bit above room temperature, but not too bad. Okay, we're at 9, see we're 11 now.
Yeah.
Maybe 10, so that shrunk a tenth to a tenth and a half.
Yeah.
If you're trying to hold a tenth accuracy and you shrink it to 10, you've got a problem. You blow all your tolerance out just by heat. So everything has to be at the same common temperature to be accurate.
Yep.
In this case, it's room temperature. I use room temperature because it's free.
Yeah.
I like that free thing.
Yep.
I always hold the rod the same direction as the motor. So when I assemble the motor up, it's going to be straight.
Yeah.
Theoretically, it shouldn't matter, but sometimes it does matter. Nobody said that the rod was perpendicular on the faces to the bore. So whatever the air is involved there, it can make a difference.
I remember when you did the pistons on this one, you said they had a little mark on that front piston on the cylinder wall.
Yeah.
Couldn't quite get it out. You said, well, it ain't got to be perfect.
Right. Piston.
I guess that cylinder had a little...
Got more room for air on that. This doesn't have to be perfect either, but it doesn't mean I don't try to. See,
Well, you couldn't take out any more. You're taking out too much, you know.
I could run a lot looser than 9 tenths.
Not moving now, is it?
I'm like 2.5, 3 thousandths on the race bike, but that's not the street bike.
Are you talking about pistons?
No, rods.
Oh, rods.
Pistons, hell, they go for 9, 10,000 clearance if they're on the race motors.
Yeah. These pistons here aren't that much, are they?
No, yours are probably more than 3.
Yeah.
They'll be looser now because they got home cylinders.
You still got to lap some of those gears in that cam cover?
Can't drive gear most likely.
Yeah. And that one big gear, did you already get that one on the...
I already did the other gears.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're down to 3 or 4 right now with temperature in it. This one's a little bit bigger. Never hold the same on the RV. Some of these races are pretty stinking hard. They don't hold very quickly. These are actually cutting out pretty decent. Take a look at the heat in the rod. They're not too bad. They blew a 10th again. About one with that one. Here's up about 3.5, 4. The stone cuts in different amounts from different areas. It's up to you to find the spots where you want to be up and they cut it straight through.
That's just intuition or just knowing, huh?
You have to feel as you go back and forth.
Uh-huh.
You kind of hear it too, what the stone sounds like. It's not just feel, you hear it.
Yeah. Experience.
Right now it's cutting more right here and right up this side here. Here and here are about the same, but they're a little bit less pressure.
It's
Less
a feel.
pressure, yeah, less pressure means less cutting. That's in the coils over there?
Yeah.
Turn to the stone swap.
Going to go to the milestone now, huh?
Go to the midstone. 80. Here's the final over here.
You gonna get to that one next?
It says 95 on it down here.
Uh-huh. Let's see if I can get it in.
This one's 95, this one's 85 or 83. And this is CR2, which is a coarse. This is aluminum oxide material. These two here are silicon carbide material. Those make a big difference in the finish.
Yeah, it's going.
Hey, Tom.
Pretty good.
Good. It's going.
Pretty good, sir.
It's the time watching
Making my rods here happy.
Is that right? Okay,
Yeah,
you're stroking your rods, huh?
Yeah, man.
No, I'm stroking his rods. He's not allowed to stroke his rods.
Too old for that shit, man.
There you go.
Might break something, you know?
Yeah.
Get that high-speed wobble, you know?
All right.
Drag racing. Well, you knew what time to come by, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of difference in finish now, see?
Yeah.
That's only the medium grip.
You ever do the camera, man? You ever do
No,
that?
I haven't been a cameraman, no.
What, you getting tired already?
No, I just asked if you ever did it.
No, we're not allowed to next week.
They don't get to do it, huh?
That's special.
This goes out to the world, man.
You actually have
World
to be
Wide
here.
Web, right here.
You actually have to be here to do that.
This is just early morning for Tatro, you know, right now.
Exactly.
There's my engine he's working on here. This somebody's gonna be fucking so happy.
Yeah.
Oh, see, yeah, sorry about that. I got that English messed up.
You got soundtrack going on that?
Yeah, it goes to the world, remember?
Right out the fucking world.
Hey man, we can't all be from Philadelphia, you know?
You have to do the editing on that. Editing on that.
Yeah, they don't do that.
We don't know how to edit. We don't know how to film.
Yeah, yeah. We're working on it though, man.
You're not putting on the ground too bad today. He likes filming the ground.
Yeah, yeah. Do a lot of those shots.
Alright, what do we got now?
This is old school. The only people you can find that can do this.
No, this isn't old school.
No?
Tom knows how to do it.
Well, most people will tell you they don't know how to do it, and they're not lying. They mean it.
Well.
You didn't have them when you came in here.
I'll be on your help. Yeah.
Oh, what?
Helps to see. What?
He's looking for his glasses.
They're not in here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got an Android in here, bro. You get rid of that.
No light and no camera, right?